Hello my wasabis, this is Jirbie from Couchwasabi. In today's video, I will share with you how to make your own organic lip balm. If this is something that you would want to learn about, please keep watching. Okay, so for today, we will need your glass-safe container, coconut oil or VCO, of course your essential oils. Today I will be using peppermint oil from Eden's Garden and grapefruit oil from Now. Of course, you will be needing your shea butter. I am using this refined shea butter. Wala siyang masyadong amoy. Kasi once you choose the unrefined one, it's more... The smell is so strong. So, it's your choice if you want to use that, or you can also get the refined one. Doesn't matter. You will be needing your beeswax pellets. I'm going to be using the refined white beeswax pellets for today kasi pag refined mas wala siyang amoy, but you can also choose to pick the yellow one or the unrefined. And of course, you have to have your lip balm cases. I also like using this acrylic stand kasi para hindi siya natatabingi habang binubuhos ko yung mixture. As an optional ingredient, you can also put some vitamin E. Okay, so for today's activity, you just have to have an equal part of your beeswax, your shea butter, and your coconut oil. So with your glass container or your heat-safe container, I will be using half a tablespoon of everything. Unahin natin tong beeswax dahil dry ingredient siya. It's better to start with your dry ingredient. You can just eyeball this. Hindi kailangan super exact. And then, your VCO. If ayaw nyo yung amoy ng VCO, you find it too coconut smelling. Because I'm actually fine with it. I like the smell. Pero meron kasi mga tao na ayaw yung amoy ng VCO. You can choose to get fractionated coconut oil. That is more expensive and it's a little harder to get. So, kung ayaw mo ng VCO and hindi mo mahanap yung fractionated coconut oil, you can get any carrier oil. So, you can choose to put sweet almond oil or you can choose to put sunflower oil. It doesn't matter. Basta kailangan mo ng carrier oil. So, we have half a tablespoon of your pellets and your carrier oil. You have to pop this in the microwave for about 30 seconds. So, mga 1 minute siguro until it's fully melted. So, let me just do that and come back here. Okay, so now that it's fully melted, liquefied na siya, we have to add in our shea butter. So same thing, half a tablespoon. Just drop it in the mixture. And then, haluin mo lang siya. Okay, if you want it faster, you can pop this back in the microwave. Siguro mga 10 seconds. You don't want to be overheating yung shea butter kasi magiging grainy siya. So, hindi siya magiging smooth on application. So, I normally use lang the heat of the first two ingredients to melt yung shea butter. Anyway, it gets melted naman fast eh. So, yan o. Hindi mo na siya kailangan ipasok sa microwave. Yan, natunaw na siya. So, it's ready to put your essential oil. So, you can put 7 of each or any combination basta umabot siya ng 15. I like using peppermint and citrus. Okay. And then just mix it a little more. You can add in your vitamin E. Para mas nourishing siya sa lips. So, mix it a little more. Once it's fully mixed, pwede mo na siya lagay sa container. And so, this recipe can make about 4 tubes. Hindi na puno yung isa, but that's okay. You can leave it as is or pop it in the fridge para mas mabilis siyang matuyo. So, let me just do that para mas mabilis yung process. Guys, so I'm back. After like 15 minutes, 10 to 15 minutes, actually solid na siya. This mixture is pretty much fast to turn into something really solid. Kasi maliit lang naman siya. So, in 15 to 20 minutes, okay na siya to be given away. There you go. The smell is very faint, so if you want it to be something stronger, pwede mong dagdagan yung essential oil drops mo. I only use a total of 15 to 16 drops, so you can add a little more, you can double it up depending on your preference. And I actually made 4 sticks and yung isa hindi napuno. So, let me just try yung hindi napuno. Because I will be using this for personal use. It's creamy and meron siyang cool tingling sensation. I think it's because of the peppermint. It's really nice. The smell of the grapefruit oil is not that strong, but the effect of the peppermint oil, yung cooling effect niya is there. Actually very refreshing. So if you want to try these, don't worry, I will be giving these away during my workshop on February 10 at Long Weekend Coffee in Marikina. If you haven't signed up yet, don't worry, the event is actually open to public. But if you want to join the workshop, I think close na yung registration. So just go there. If you want to sit in, if you want to listen, if you want to hang out and join the fun, so just come and join us on my workshop. Don't worry, my giveaways and raffles are actually open for everyone who joined during the day. So even if hindi ka nakapag-register to join the workshop, it just means na wala na kasing materials bought for you. So the registration is really important to secure your slot to have your complete materials for the day. But if you just want to sit in and listen and learn more about oils, you can come, you can bring your friends, you can hang out with us, and be there. Anyway guys, I hope you've enjoyed today's video. Don't forget to hit thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. And if you love this so much, don't forget to share this on your Facebook wall. And I'll see you in my next video. Bye!
Fill me out with your smile. Now the sunshine brings the light. Fill me